Right, well, we've got our rhythm track in place. It's time to start gluing it together with something a bit longer. We're going to start using more harmony and some drones. So what I've done here is I've taken my initial 4 bars and I've just copied and pasted it, so it's 32 bars long, and I'm going to put some stuff on top of it. I'm going to try some things out. Now, I have used the strings plugin, which is a fabulous new plugin, and I've changed it to disco strings, and I've changed the attack so that you get a slow approach of the note like this, which is nice, but it's not enough. So I have added a chroma verb, and I've gone for Greek wash, and you can use your own preset there if you like. And I'm also using a stereo delay just to get a bit of left and right on it. So when you put that together, and if I play octaves, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the track, and I'm just going to put some different drones on top of it, and I'm going to change the drones as it goes. And at some point I'm going to try and use the pitch bend wheel. I'm going to hit a D, but I'm going to have the pitch bend wheel pushed up, and then I'm going to slowly release it like that. So I'm just going to press record, see what we come up with. Okay, well, I did that first take. We could probably go back and probably change the timing of when I did this drop down. Well, should we have a listen to it? I was playing octaves, but there's nothing to stop you doing 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes, playing some chords. And I hope you noticed that I sneaked in a couple of crafty black notes in there, some augmented 4ths and 5ths, just to keep that dissonance and that tension growing.